The online webinar series on international law, one of the most global and public initiatives in the field, has been successfully completed. The initiative, launched by Giorgi Chachkhiani, director of the International Institute for Strategic Research, was implemented with the involvement of international experts and leading specialists in the field. Over the course of a year, the series included 12 webinars related to contemporary issues of international investment law and international arbitration, transitional justice, international criminal law, international humanitarian law, international human rights law, international data privacy law, international refugee law, public international law, state responsibility, the law of the use of force, and international security law. The webinars were led by a wide range of guest speakers, including Agata Daszko, research fellow and Ph.D. candidate at the University of Göttingen in Germany, Dr. Pauline Martini, project officer at the International Nuremberg Principles Academy, Ph.D. from Queen Mary University of London in the United Kingdom, Tamar Ruseishvili, lecturer in public international law, LLM candidate at Harvard University in the United States of America, Professor Lindsay Moir, professor of international law at the University of Hull in the United Kingdom, Ketevan Kukava, Ph.D. candidate at Tbilisi State University in Georgia and university lecturer in business and human rights law, Dr. Sally Alexandra Longworth, lecturer in public international law at Stockholm University in Sweden and a researcher in international law with the Swedish Defense Research Agency, Elizabet Kakabadze, LLM in international law and Erasmus Mundus scholar in international law of global security, peace and development at the University of Glasgow in the United Kingdom, Anastasija Kaplane, lecturer in international law and human rights at the Riga Graduate School of Law in Latvia and associate researcher at the Baltic Human Rights Society, Dr. Martha Magdalena Bradley, associate professor of public international law and international humanitarian law at the University of Johannesburg in South Africa, Dr. Alison Bisset, associate professor in international human rights law at the University of Reading in the United Kingdom, Kvansa Dolbaya, Fulbright Scholar at the University of Notre Dame in the United States of America, legal advisor to Georgia's state representation in international courts, and Giorgi Chachkhiani, director of the International Institute for Strategic Research, Georgia. Out of 1,776 unique applications, including 994 from international students, received from 74 countries, 343 universities and 26 schools, the initiative involved selected 663 recorded participants from 56 countries, 169 universities, and 9 schools worldwide, of whom 401 were students. In addition to bachelor's, master's, and Ph.D. students, among the participants were professors and lecturers from higher education institutions, as well as practitioners from various fields such as lawyers, public servants, international organizations staff, investigators, prosecutors, police officers, attorneys, business leaders, civil society executives, legal advisors, humanitarian workers, research analysts, social workers, judicial and legal officers, computer engineers, gender activists, human resource professionals, human rights consultants, legal translators, pastors, refugee rights advocates, research fellows, sustainability analysts, teachers, and judges. Overall, the initiative has involved participants from 56 countries: Albania, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Belgium, Botswana, Brazil, Bulgaria, Cameroon, Canada, Croatia, Czech Republic, Egypt, Ethiopia, France, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Kenya, Latvia, Lebanon, Madagascar, Malaysia, Mauritius, Moldova, Myanmar, Nepal, Nigeria, Oman, Pakistan, Philippines, Poland, Romania, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Somalia, South Africa, South Korea, South Sudan, Sri Lanka, Switzerland, Sweden, Thailand, Togo, Turkey, Uganda, Ukraine, United Kingdom, United States of America, Uzbekistan, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. The following are some of the participants' testimonials and opinions on the initiative.
The online webinar series on international law is an exceptional initiative. To attend these engaging webinars is really a privilege, since we get to participate in such activities with peers from different parts of the globe and learn about the newest studies in the field of international law from experts. Rhea Shanine C. Hermogenes, Juris Doctor Graduate at San Beda College, Alabang, Philippines. I have been beyond lucky to be engaged in IISR events, which meet with my interests and never fail to inspire me. Online webinar series on international law is the best initiative in the field. I am certain to state that IISR revealed new opportunities before me and has been serving as an educational bridge, guiding me to the field of international law. The project enables hundreds of youngsters to advance their knowledge in international law, and they are completely free of charge. In this sense, the above-mentioned initiative holds a momentous value which has worldwide impact. It unites aspiring professionals and creates an immense international network under which experiences are being exchanged. Thought-provoking sessions not only broaden my horizons, but also enhance critical and analytical thinking skills. I am encouraged to become a professional in my future career, and the webinar series effectively contribute to my self-development. Nino Imerlishvili, student at Tbilisi Ilya Vekua Physics Mathematical School, Georgia.
Extremely useful and accessible, considering the possibility of participation from anywhere in the world. Dr. Puran Andra Nicoleta, lecturer in international law at the National University of Science and Technology, Polytechnica Bucharest, Romania.
These webinars cover almost the entire world and give opportunity to communicate with people from different countries and cultures. International speakers are also worth mentioning. Their sharing of knowledge makes me feel like a student of an exchange program. Salome Rikadze, law student at Tbilisi State University, Georgia.
The online webinar series on international law is an excellent initiative, providing valuable insights and fostering global dialogue. I would evaluate it highly for its comprehensive content, expert speakers, and effective organization, making it a beneficial resource for both students and professionals in the field. Dr. A. Shaji George, Saudi Arabia.
I think it's a great step to awareness and community building for like-minded individuals who want to make a positive impact in the world. Even after attending my first session, I already feel like I am a part of a great group of people who are focused on research and healthy dialogue. We definitely need more of this in the world. Zaina Anas, University of London external program student in Pakistan.
The speakers were remarkable, each bringing a wealth of expertise and a unique perspective to the discussions. The seamless integration of diverse topics, the quality of the speakers, and the interactive elements made for a truly impactful learning experience. This webinar series has significantly enhanced my knowledge in international law and has inspired me to further explore this field. Danilyn S. De La Vega, first-year Juris Doctor student at Emilio Aguinaldo College, Cavite, Philippines.